going on, you guys? Andrew back with another sneaker unboxing, and this one might be the last one of the year. I think I might be at my wit's end with buying shoes this year, to be quite honest with you. It's been a pretty busy year for shoes and otherwise, and this is kind of just the icing on top of the cake. This is the one that I was really looking forward to, and I was really excited to pre-order, and there's been a lot of pre-orders this year. A lot of things have been put on pre-order, and this is one, you may have seen this, you may not have seen this, it's not really on the blogs. So if you guys can't already tell what these are the first signature shoe by Mache. Mache Customs on Instagram. I've been following his Instagram page for, I want to say years, I think close to a decade now. I want to say since 2012 I've been following Mache on Instagram, and this year he came out with his first signature shoe, his first, actual shoe that is not a custom per se. It's something he made in the USA, down to the detail on the box, which, if you guys don't already know, the shoe is the Centralia Runner. It's named after the town of Centralia, Pennsylvania. And in Centralia for a long time, up until very recently, there was a highway, a stretch of road that was just covered in graffiti. And that's where the inspiration for the shoe's design came from, the box and everything like that. You can take a close look at that and see how it kind of looks like asphalt and with graffiti all over the backside. I think it's a really well done box and package, and the size label I think is very clever. I like that a lot. I really like that. So getting right into it, this is one of those that only came in full sizes, no half sizes, so I had to go a half size down to my size 8, and I am seeing these for the first time. I'm very excited. These are incredible looking. Wow. And they look they're very lightweight. Take these out of the box real quick and take a closer look with you guys. Alright, you guys, so in hand, the shoe looks like a hodgepodge of different color schemes and just layering in a way which I didn't really. I've seen videos, I've seen pictures, and just seeing them in person is a whole other ball game. So for starters, you've got different layers upon layers of some premium feeling suede and leather and this French terry inner liner, which I think is fantastic. So for starters, the first thing that catches my eye is that pink toe cap, which runs with a very short-haired suede, very soft, very supple, very premium feeling. The one thing I find myself thinking every time I see a different part of the shoe is premium. It feels premium. You've got that pink toe cap in the front, a little hit of yellow on some tumbled leather along the toe cap area, as well as some smoother leather right here in the middle. Along the side panel, you've got hits of this light gray, and the yellow, I guess, is to symbolize the concrete. You've got this almost stitched on looking eyelet piece covering a purple underlayer. This purple layer underneath the top part here is actually 3M, which I think is fantastic. That's absolutely incredible. You've got a hit of teal on the back heel, which is actually covering up more 3M, which is, it's pretty nice. You got little hits of 3M here and there. And then you've got some dark gray suede on the back. Inside, you've got a mixture of what looks to be mint and pink French terry material, and then red on the tongue there, which, if you guys can't take a closer look, that's his signature embroidered right there on the tongue. In the original sample pictures, the outsole was black, but I guess he switched it and decided to go with blue Vibram outsole instead of black, which I kind of like a lot better. White midsole is nice and soft and cushiony, and one thing I noticed about this shoe that people in other videos have been saying is it's very lightweight, and it's very true. It's extremely lightweight feeling. So when you remove both midsoles, they look a little something like this. Graffiti on asphalt inspired. You got Mache's signature right down there at the heel. Very nice, very nice. And some thin white laces up top. Kind of ties the whole thing together.
That's stupid. I'm cutting that out.
Now, some of you might be wondering, a Mache custom sneaker, that sounds like it'd be expensive, and it was a little pricey. So this shoe was $300 at the time of pre-order, which I thought was a little bit much, but when you look at the details, you kind of understand why it is the way it is. For starters, it's made in the USA, and the materials are fantastic, and it's the first of hopefully many signature runners, and I cannot wait to throw these on feet. I'm going to throw them on feet right away. Like I said, Vibram outsole, so you got some Nice grip there at the bottom. I'm running my hand across it and the grip is fantastic already. And you know, it's one of the last couple of days before the winter really hits us here in the Midwest, so I'm gonna try to enjoy these today, and I'll let you guys know just how comfortable they are, but I feel like they'll be extremely comfortable just by looking at them. Anyway guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, comment below what you guys think, and of course, subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments below if any of you guys went ahead and pre-ordered the Mache Centralia Runner. I'm really glad I did. It's nice to have a shoe that, you know, not just everybody has. It's the first non-Nike or New Balance sneaker I think I've bought all year, so that's saying something. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.